Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to share your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription with family, so everyone can enjoy the games without issues. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the YouTube TV app or the NFL Sunday Ticket app where you purchased your subscription. Sign in with your Google account linked to the subscription. Step 2. Set up family sharing. If you subscribed through YouTube TV, you can create a family group. Go to Google Account, Family, Manage Family Group, and invite up to 5 family members. They'll get access to NFL Sunday Ticket on their own devices. Step 3. Share device access if not using family sharing. Log in to the NFL Sunday Ticket app on a smart TV, tablet, or phone. Family members can use the same account login. Just note the number of simultaneous streams is limited. Important notes. NFL Sunday Ticket allows 2 streams at once, or more if bundled with YouTube TV. Family members must live in the same household if you're using YouTube TV's family sharing feature. Always keep your login secure. Don't share it outside your family. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more streaming tips and tutorials.